Welcome to this quick tutorial on using the Quick Action Box, a standout feature in Software Ideas Modeler. The Quick Action Box streamlines your workflow by letting you type in text to perform actions, find elements, or open projects with ease. To get started, simply click into the Quick Action Box or press Ctrl-Q. Once you're there, start typing. For instance, if you're looking for a specific project element, type its name. You'll see it appear in a drop-down list. Select it and hit Enter. Voila! The diagram containing your element will open up, with the element already highlighted for you. But that's not all. The Quick Action Box also lets you execute commands swiftly. Say you want to delete a selected element along with all its relationships. Just type delete rel and press Enter. And just like that, it's done. Adding tasks is just as easy. For example, if you want to add a new to-do task, such as add a new subclass to the diagram for the element, simply type to-do, followed by the text of the task. Watch as the to-do sidebar springs into action, showing you the task you've just added. As you can see, the Quick Action Box is not just a tool, it's your assistant, making your interactions with our software smoother and more efficient. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.